inside if I need it, but like it really it does a good job at like taking away that glare, so you can actually see outside of the windows. So you get a good like overall kind of like almost around the car basically. If you get side hit from the side, it'll show that. It'll show someone's on the side of you, you know, like acting aggressive, you know, whatever. Like, and then the video inside video is 1080p opposed to 720 with the owl. So, and then the audio is pretty good on it too.
Is it worth it after all this to still keep the owl cam, or do you want to get rid of that?
Well, that's oh look at the bunny.
Oh.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, did he go down?
Yeah, he's sitting
Uh-huh.
there. He looks scared.
Oh, don't go inside the garage though.
He won't. Run away, buddy. What are you doing?
There you go.
Well, sort of.
Can she see from there? No, she can't. Oh no. Oh, he went up. Hopping his way back.